Hi friends and family, and welcome back to another episode of unboxing. I apologize for not posting on my Instagram. We went on a family vacation for spring break, and I did want to vlog, whatever you guys call that, but then I was like, I don't know if anyone would be interested in seeing that, or if I want my personal family time to be shared like that. But I am thinking about doing a little bit of that just to see how that goes, because it is fun. I love exploring new things and having fun, and I love sharing my life with those that I care about, such as my friends and family. So anyway, yeah, let's go ahead and we're going to unbag the regular Ipsy Glam bag, which is $12 a month, and you get 5 deluxe and full-size items. Now they're usually all deluxe, but sometimes you will get a full-sized item. So anyway, it's been a minute. Like I said, I just came back from vacation, so I don't even remember what I chose and what I didn't choose. So anyway, here is the cute little bag that we get every month, and this is for that International Women's Day or something like that, or month. So super cute little bag, and let's unzip it and see what's going on. What's going on around her. Okay, so the first thing that I'm picking out is this guy with some bubble wrap. Some bubble wrap. Try to do my hair and stuff, it's just not working out. I got vacation brain. Okay, so we got this Almond Beauty guy right here, and Ariel, it's in Ariel and Luna eyeshadow duo. So, oh, look at how pretty that is. I like it. That would look really pretty with my look today. I tried to go with pink and blue, and I liked this little cute shirt because it's actually starting to warm up. Anywho, this one, let me see if I can get a price. Oh yeah, that's the other thing, is you do get the little card with the things, with all the info. So this is a deluxe sample. It says the full size version is $42. So I will do the little calculations and I will put it somewhere here or here when I edit my videos. Again, I just want you to see that pretty colors. Oh, we gotta do swatches. So one is like satin and one is like shimmer. There we go. Alright, so let's put that on thy hand. Oh, very pretty. Look at that. Oh yeah. I like these duos. They're very, very fun. So, that's item number 1. We got another bubble wrap here. This one is Sophia and Mabel Wet Glow. Here's thy box. Let's see, I put my camera a little further away today, so we'll see how this works, okay? Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. What is it? It's a highlight, champagne toast. So I'm guessing it's a highlighter. Here's that. So it's a very cute packaging, and there is the thing, the color. Ooh, pretty. And we'll go ahead and swatch. Oh, that's buttery and creamy. Yeah, okay, so it's a wet glow just like the box says. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Now, I really like that whether it's for an eyeshadow or a highlighter, but very nice. Let's see. This is a full-size item and it is $18. So right here alone pays for the bag. The bag was $12 and you have some change here with this guy. So definitely going to be a good bag, I think. Alright, the next thing is this Vitamin C Face Scrub from Elizabeth Mott. That looks fun, and love the lemon. Definitely got that summer vibe going. Let's see. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $25. So again, I will do the calculation and figure that out for us. It says, give your skin the glow up it deserves after a long winter with this warming face scrub. It gently buffs away dead skin cells, buildup, and excess oil to smooth your skin and minimize pores while treating it to a dose of brightening vitamin C. Use twice a week. Gently massage a small amount onto the skin, then rinse thoroughly. Alright, so let's go ahead. It's got the seal. We'll open it because, again, this will probably last me maybe 4 days or so. So we'll go ahead and see what it's all about. It does have a refreshing lemon scent. Here's that cream. It is very thick. Oh yeah, definitely got that scrubby vibe to it. Not sure if you can see the little scrubbies. The little scrubbers. Okay, let me get a wipe. A makeup wipe, by the way. Okay. Okay. So this one's good. I like it. Whoops, almost dropped it, but you couldn't see it, so we're good. Okay, there's that guy, and where are we at? We have 2 more items. Okay, I remember I did pick this. Look how teeny tiny cute it is. It's the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek, and it is in the color Wreck. So not sure if you can see that. So very cute little guy, but you know what, I'm okay with this little size because it goes a long way. Like, I have the big huge ones. Oh boy, I don't know where it's at on my makeup table, but I have a big one. I have a bigger one, and it's lasted a long time. So doesn't really have a scent. Here is the color. And let's go ahead and put that on thy skin. So, oh yeah, that's nice. We'll have to give it a try. I don't know. I was excited because of the brand, obviously. And we'll see, because I'm a little iffy sometimes about the oiliness when it's lip and cheek. I don't know if you guys notice that, but that's my thing. So sometimes I'm like, it's too oily to put on my cheeks because it's like for the lips. So this one feels not so oily, so I kind of have big hopes. Like, you can tell it is a bit oily like that because it is for the lips as well. Like, you can definitely tell, but I'm willing to give it a try. That's what we do. That's what I do on this channel. And yeah, yes, I've had coffee. I have not had lunch, so here we are. I don't know if I told you, deluxe size sample, $28. We will figure that out and blase blase. I think, all right, we have one more item, which is this little blush brush or highlighting brush. I do not believe this was a choice. Like I said, I think the Milk was my choice. Very nice brush, doesn't feel flimsy, feels pretty good. Tells you it's a highlighting brush here, and then the brand here as well. So yeah, I mean, I think it can do an all right job if you just want that thin layer of highlight. And I'd never used it, like, I've never really used this kind of brush, so this is new for me. This is a full-size item for $14. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a recap. We got the brush, we got the lip and cheek balm or whatever, and then we got the face scrub, we got the highlighter, which is really good, and the cute little duo of eyeshadows. So I think for $12 this is definitely a good value. Always get the bag included, which is a bonus. So yeah, I thought this bag was a win-win. I think like everything went together. You can, you know, prep the face, highlight the face, do the cheeks, got the eyes, got the lips. So definitely a good bag. Like I said, all goes together. This is the second month in a row that Ipsy has done this for me, and I am super excited. Like, I love that. Like, you could totally do almost the whole face or the big important parts of the face with these items. So what did you think? Do you get this bag? And yeah, what did you think about it? Let me know down in the comments. Hit the subscribe button, the thumbs up, and all the didgeridoo. Follow me on Instagram, and we will see you in our next Ipsy unboxing in, I don't know, a few more minutes. Bye!